Good morning, your Fitness First community. We are live today with a nice and easy lower back care workout. So if you're struggling with your lower back and you've got issues with your lower back and problems that not really bad chronic pain, but just a mild pain where you think, you know what, a nice little strength and a little workout might just help me. Well, this is a perfect workout for you. So let's just see if anybody's joining me live. Hopefully that's coming live. Just let me know in the comments, are we live, everybody? Yes, it looks like we are. Yes, fantastic. We want to start. So it's going to be a nice and simple warm up. Then we'll just do some nice and simple work exercises. I'll show different stages and you can do what you can do. But like I say, if you've got chronic pain, please do not do this. Any severe pain, please do not do this. It's just for a bit of localized lower back pain that you get every now and again. Helps you build strength and work through this. So let's get warmed up without further ado. Hope you're okay for joining me live. I was going to do it outside. It just looks a little damp on the floor. I'm going to be spending most of my time on the floor. So we're not going to do that today. So we're just going to do this nice and gently. Slide our foot out to the side and slide it back in. Keep your foot in contact. This is best done barefoot, this is, by the way, just so your foot slides back and forward. And you definitely need a mat. And side, just nice and gentle, keeping the core engaged at all times. And one more either side. And good work, nicely done. Fantastic. I'm just going to turn to the side. So now I'm just going to slide backwards. Just nice simple move, just sliding backwards. And then sliding back forwards. So again, if you need to hold on to anything at any time, you can do. But just sliding backwards and then stepping forwards. Nice little simple move. Good work. Sliding back. Excellent stuff. And again. Fantastic. One more either side. A nice little warm up just to get yourself ready for the workout. So we're back on our feet, walking on our toes. So we're now going to bring up the knee. So just take up the knee to one side, feel a nice little stretch. If you can pause, and just feel that nice little stretch. So grab it on the outside of the thigh and just feeling a little stretch. It's not a massive stretch, it's just a nice little stretch. Just waking up the lower back, stretching out the muscles. Keep your balance. That's it, one side to the other. Fantastic, keep going. And to the other side. Excellent, one more. Good work. And fantastic, back walking on the spot. Good work, everybody. That's it, got fantastic stuff. So, nice strong core again. We're going to do a nice little hip opener. So opening up and closing down there. Nice and simple, stepping forward. Even if your knee's just nice and low here, doesn't matter. It's about opening up the hips, getting the hips warmed up, because we're going to be down on the floor for most of this. And back open, the other side. That's it. Good work. Nice and simple, keeping the core engaged. Crack your knees. Well, ligaments actually, by the sounds of it. And one more. Good work. Fantastic stuff. So we're going to go into a nice little leg swing now. So your hands on your hips, and it's going to swing forwards and backwards. Just nice little movements. Nothing major, we're not kicking back, the body's not swinging with it, it's just the leg warming up the glutes, getting the legs warmed up. Nice and simple. Nice and steady. And then stop, and then out to the side. Just lifting out. Again, just to your range of movement. And good work. And let's move to the other side. So again, you need to hold on. You can hold on. If you don't, just hand on your hips. holding on just gives you that little bit of balance, especially if you're struggling with your lower back. It's better to hold on. That's it. And to the side, taking it out. Excellent stuff. And fantastic. Good work, everybody. Now we're just going to lift our shoulders up to our ears and lower them back down. Just a nice simple movement while we're just walking on a spot. Nice and steady, up and down, up and down. Good work. One more, up and down. This time we're going to move the shoulders backwards, so squeezing the shoulder blades. Just nice and gentle, just waking up the shoulders. Nice little up and down rotation. One more. And fantastic. So we're going to plant the feet now. It's going to do some nice little side turns. So just turning from one side to the other. Nice little movements. Not twisting too far. Just waking up the back. Upper back this helps with as well. And fantastic. Good work. Going to some nice little side bends now. So all we're doing is reaching down one side. Feeling that opening in the hip here on the side, and then down. Feeling that nice little stretch. Again, don't go too far, we're just warming up. This is getting the muscles ready for the workout. That's it, nicely done. Just a couple either side. One more. And fantastic stuff. Good work, everybody. Just going to do some nice little hip rotations. So just one way, just a couple of times to get the hips loosened off. And then back the other way. Nice and gentle. That's it. And good work. Fantastic. So I'm going to stand towards the top of my mat. We're going to take it nice and slowly, keeping hands in contact with the legs at all times. Slowly easing down. Bending in the legs ever so slightly. And just going as low as you can. If you can touch the floor, brilliant. If you can't, don't worry, just hold. 3, 2, 1. And then use your core to bring yourself back up. Hands in contact with the legs. And let's go back down again. Keeping the hands in contact with the legs again. Nice and steady. Hanging down there. 3, 2, 1. And slowly again using the core, coming back up. Legs are slightly off lock. And then back down. This time we're going to stay down there and we're going to walk to one side. So walk your hands round to your side of your leg, side of your foot, just for 3, 2, 1, and then slowly walk around to the other side. 3, 2, 1, and then back to the middle. That's it, and then slowly rise up. Good work, everybody. Nice little manoeuvre just to stretch out the legs. So now we're going to go into a nice little bend, squatting down like a semi-squat, so it's got like a pelvic tilt, and up, and down, so, and down, one more, and up. Good work. It's going to do some nice little ankle, so if you need to hold on, but just ankle flexion, extension, bend it, and do some circles. Warm the ankles up, and again with the other one. Excellent stuff. And fantastic. So we're slowly going to make our way down to our 4-point kneeling position. So make your way down, slow and steady, into a 4-point kneeling position. So your hands are underneath your shoulders. Your knees are directly in line with your hips, and your feet and everything is in line, you're flat on the floor. So we're just going to do a nice little cat-cow. So pushing down with the belly and then breathing in. And as we breathe out, push away nice and gently for a cat. And then breathing in, down and up. Just nice little flow, cat-cow movements. Excellent. And one more. Good work. And then just find that neutral spine, so almost like a flat back, your core engaged. You're going to bring one hand over towards the middle of the mat, and then we're going to take a hand out to the side and wide, twisting a little bit, and then thread the needle through. So threading the needle through, underneath, going down as low as you can onto your shoulder, feeling that stretch, and then open up again, just to open up the shoulders, stretching out the shoulders. And back to the middle, and again put your hand in the middle, go out to the other side and thread the needle down onto your ear if you can, no worries if you can't, and up and back through, and good work, and back to the middle. Fantastic. So I'm doing a nice little move here. It's called a bird dog. So we're going to stay on our knees, and you can do different stages. So I'll show you different stages. Stage 1 is just taking your arm out. Stage 2 is just taking one leg out, keeping it in contact with the floor. Stage 3 is taking opposite arm, opposite leg, keeping in contact with the floor. Stage 4 is doing a full bird dog where you're kicking out and then coming back, elbow in and out. It's great for building strength in the core and the glutes. So find the middle ground with your hand, choose one side and then do 10 on each side. So nice and steady. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 or stage 4. 3, 2, 1 and nice and steady movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nice strong core. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Good work. Put one hand down, just loosen the wrist off a little bit, and I'm going to go out to the other side. So again, make sure you're nice in line. Again, stage 1, just hand up. Stage 2, leg out. Stage 3, opposite hand, opposite leg, touching the floor still. And then stage 4 is a full bird dog. So let's do this. 3, 2, 1 and out. 1, 2, 3. If you need to put your foot on the floor for balance, do it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Good work everybody, fantastic. We're slowly going to make our way to our backs. So nice low back. Oh. I'm just going to open up the legs for a second, put the feet together. Feel that nice stretch in the groin. Just there, nice. And then slowly but surely, when you're ready, bring the legs back up together. Fantastic. So we're going to keep one leg bent out, one leg bent up, one leg straight. And all we're going to do is just lift it up a couple of inches, well, about a couple of feet off the floor, and then back down. doing 10 each side. Again, just to help build strength. You can feel it in your core here. When you lift up your leg, you'll feel your core engaging, and back down. So nice and steady, up and down, slow and steady does it. That's it. 2, 3, really good for building core strength. 4, 5, 6, touch the floor, rest when you need it if you need it. 7, 8, 9, and one more, and 10. Good work. Put your foot back down, slide it up. There we go. And when you're ready, you take the other foot out, nice and long. Flex your foot back towards you, and then slow and steady, lifting up. 1. Again, feel the core engaged. 2. Nice and steady. 3. Nice deep breaths in and out. 4. Excellent. 5. That's it. Nice and steady. 6. 7. 8. 9. And one more. And 10. Fantastic. Slow and steady down. Put your knees back down and then give your knees a little hug in. Feel that stretch in the lower back. Nice little stretch. And then roll yourself to your side. So, arm underneath your head if you need. Your knees are stacked, so your knees are drawn up still. And we're just going to open up like a clam here. So you can put your hand in front of you, a bit of stability. So stage 1 is your feet are stacked and you're just opening up nice and slow and closing down. Stage 2 is you're going to hover your foot up, open up, and twist out. So it's entirely up to you where you're at. Hover or put your feet stacked. So 3, 2, 1, and up. 1. Again, slow and steady. 2. 3. That's it. 4. 5. 6. 7. Nice and steady. Building strength in the glutes. This is at the top of the glutes. 8. You put your hand there, you can feel it. 9. And 10. Good work. Slowly make your way to your other side. So nice and steady. We're going to do exactly the same exercise. Stack the feet again. Stage 1, legs just feet touching, or stage 2, hover. Yep, so nice and easy. When you're in position, hand in front of you for a bit of stability, stop your rocking back, hover the foot if you can, and let's open up. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Nice, strong glutes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Nice and steady. Good work, everybody. So you can stay on that side, or you can go back to your first side. Again, arm down, legs out straight this time. So again, hand in front of you. So all we're going to do now is lift our leg up. So stage 1 is just lift it up about a foot. Stage 2 is lift it up as high as you can. Just going right there, building that strength again in the glutes. So are you ready? 10 each side, 3, 2, 1, and up, 1. That's it. And 2. And 3. Excellent stuff. And 4. 5. 6. Nice. 7. Nice and steady. 8. 9. And 10. Nice and high. And back down. Fantastic. Slowly again, make your way to your other side. All you have to do is roll over. I'm moving around just because it shows you where we're at. That's it. So again, feet out straight on your side, hand in front of you. Stage 1, just a couple inches. Stage 2, as high as you can. So 3, 2, 1, or wherever's comfortable. Shall we say 1, 2. Excellent stuff. Nice and steady. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1 more, and 10. Fantastic stuff. Good work, everybody. So we're going to slowly make our way to our backs. Nice and steady again. That's it. So lay on your back, feet up towards your bum, and we're slowly going to do a nice little glute bridge. So again, you can do this in different stages. Just make sure you're flat, your back's nice and flat to start with. So you can just do a little pelvic tilt and get your back nice and flat, engage your core, then lift from the heels, lifting up. Stage 1 can just be lifting up a couple of inches. Stage 2 a bit further. And then stage 3 you can lift all the way up. So it just depends where you're at. But wherever you are, have a little hold, feel the glutes engaged, feel the back extensions really working and the core. So hands at your side, we'll do 10 reps, nice and steady. So up we go. And down, nice little movements. Up, add that little pause at the top. It's all about building strength in the hamstrings, in the lower back, helping you overcome the problems. Up and down. Fantastic. Up and down. Good work. Number 5. Up and down. Nice strong core. 6. Go on. Up and down. 7. Up and down. 8. Up and down. 9. One more. Slow and steady. Up and 10. Good work. Nicely done. Again, pull the knees into your chest. Nice little stretch for the lower back. And then feet back down. Last exercise we're going to do, staying down here, we're going to do a crunch. So all we're doing is coming up, touching up the thighs wherever you can, or up the knee wherever you can. Nice and slow, strong core. Just bring your head up, find a focus on the ceiling, and just coming up to a point where you can touch nice and comfortably without hurting yourself. So 3, 2, 1, and up and down, up and down, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. And a little pause at the top if you can, and 8 and 9 and last one, 10, and back down. Good work everybody, fantastic. Pull the knees in, hold on to the top of the knees, and just slowly take them down and around. Do a few little circles, keeping hold of the top of the knees one way and back the other way. That's it, good work. Fantastic. Hugging them in, twist the ankles a little bit, circles one way and the other way. Excellent stuff. And I'm slowly just going to take take the hips over to one side, so knees stacked. Just roll over as low as you can. Put your arm out to the back, feel that stretch in the hip and the lower back. A few deep breaths in and out. And then up and over to the other side. And again, nice and gentle. Oh, feeling that stretch in the hip. Nice and steady it is. And back over to the middle. Give yourself a big hug on the knees. Nicely done. And slowly put your feet down. Roll to your sides and get yourself up. Hope you enjoyed that. That's a good lower back workout which helps you build strength in your core, your glutes, hamstrings, and just supporting the lower back and the spine. So I hope you enjoyed that workout. Thank you for joining me live, catching up in the replay. It's a great workout. If you do have lower back issues, I suggest do that 2 or 3 times a week, and it will help you build strength in that. It really will. It's such a good workout just to be able to do a few times a week. But hope you enjoyed that, and I'll be back Friday morning with a bit more oomph in the workout. We might get some weights out and go from there. But have a great day everybody, and as always, if you can be anything, be kind, be positive and be happy. Take care, have a great day, and I'll see you all soon.